Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're looking at Bitcoin and trying to get a little insight to what's going on with Bitcoin and what we could possibly expect in the very near future here. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. By the way, this will be a shorter video here. This is going to be short and sweet. I'm going to try to do short and sweet videos every day instead of working to do longer videos once a week or so. But the whole thing with my channel is market ATM. ATM stands for at the moment. So every morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is I look at these charts. I, go through all the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, SHIB, Doge, all of them. Some of these projects like Doge and SHIB, I'm not a huge fan of, and I don't necessarily believe in the projects, but I'll still trade them to make money off of them. But right now we're looking at Bitcoin, which, ultimately what Bitcoin does decides where the rest of the market's going for the most part. Right now we are on our ninth red candle on weekly time frame. Now that ninth candle is not closed yet, but we have had 8 previous candles close in the red, which is history for Bitcoin. That's never happened before until now. And right now we are sitting at some very important key levels that if we lose these levels, we're probably going to fall, a good little bit here. And basically what this yellow box is right here, if you don't know, this is the golden pocket for Fibonacci. So basically if you pull your fib from this swing low here to the high, it lines up right here with this yellow box. That's what they call the golden pocket, the 0.618 to 0.66. And you can see what kind of support this has been in the past. We've bounced off at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a row now. And the more times you tap support or resistance, the less likely it is to hold. And so right now we're sitting at this key level, and we've been consolidating here for almost 3 weeks now. I guess about 2.5 weeks. And so, it looks like what we potentially are going to have happen is something like this yellow line I drew here. I do think we should expect some kind of bounce in the near future. Now, how high, how big of a bounce is going to be, I'm not sure, but I think it's going to be just enough for a lot of people to pile on a lot of shorts and us to go down further. So ultimately what I envision happening is maybe coming out and taking out this previous bull market high here. I think that might offer our next level of support once we lose this Fibonacci golden pocket. If we do lose it, I think we'll probably come down, back test it as resistance, and then come down further. And I'm hoping that when we get down here to this $19,500, $20,000 area, that we'll go back up from there. But we could go down lower. There's a lot of people calling for crazy low numbers now, like 16,000, 14,000. I've heard a couple 10,000s. I've heard less than that actually. But I'd say this right here is the most probable move. Now, when will it happen and how low will we go? No one really knows, including myself. But this is probably the most probable thing to happen in the next few weeks to a few months here. And so we'll just have to keep our eyes on it. Basically for the last 2.5 weeks or so, we have been in this sideways channel here where we are, let's see here, wrong tool there, where we're basically just kind of going sideways. And basically, you've got, this is the top of the channel. Ooh, that doesn't look very good. So this is the top of your channel here, and the bottom of your channel. It's about a 6 or 7% move, just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And we have consolidated at this level for quite a while here. So I do believe that we should expect a little bit larger move here in the near future. Now, will it break up or down? That's the $1,000,000 question. So, but anyway, that is, pretty much the state of the market right now. The Fed is very hawkish at the moment. Don't fight the Fed. If you fight the Fed, you're going to lose money. When the Fed is hawkish, it's, risk assets, risk on assets are going to be, going down and bleeding. Altcoins are going to bleed. So you just need to keep that in mind. Your Bitcoin ETH pair, they're going to bleed. Altcoins right now I think are going to slowly bleed out and just get murdered, with the exception of 1 or 2 here and there. But anyway, that's pretty much where we're at now. So I just want to do a little short video to get that out. I hope everyone's doing well. Like this video if you wouldn't mind. I'd love it if you subscribe. I'll do videos like this much more often, kind of giving you an idea of where we're at and what to expect. And with that said, I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.